Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Living a Little. I'm Atya. I will be sharing my life tales about life abroad and how I landed up here in Ireland as an international student. So this is my first ever video, so if you have any suggestions, please drop in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So let's get started for the first video. So if you are planning your masters here in Ireland but do not know the right time to decide on your relocation task, then this is the video for you. So I have divided this video into a timeline. 12 months from starting your master degree, you need to start make up your mind. So you need to decide with the predicted budget and an estimation for your course fee and the living expense here in Ireland. And if you are a working professional, then you need to plan your master's degree keeping in mind the notice period for your current employment. And if you are a student, then you need to plan in the last year of your course degree. If it's a 3-year course, then the 3rd year, or if the 4th year. Second thing what comes is you need to decide what course you want to choose. So that's very important because I have seen people who have landed here in Ireland based on what's happening in the job market, and they are not able to cope up with either the course structure or with the job market. So make sure you're choosing the right course based on your experience or your interest. So the next task is research the college or the universities. So check which course you want to study and look out for the universities or the colleges that are offering the same course for you, and they will be offering some sort of scholarships also. So if you follow this timeline, you will be able to apply for various scholarships as well. Look out for the minimum eligibility for various courses that the colleges and the universities are offering, and shortlist those universities, and also look for each specific course or the subjects they would be teaching you in different semesters. That will give you a whole sort of idea what you will be studying here. And keep yourself application ready, keeping in mind what sort of minimum requirement these colleges have. So you need to look out for your various mark sheet, transcripts, LOR, SOP. So make sure you note down those stuff so that you don't really have to go back and look at what's the minimum requirement. So once you're sorted on the part of your shortlisting colleges, now it's time to apply. Also a fun fact, there are few colleges or universities who take an application fee. So make sure you're ready to pay that minimum application fee. And also apply at least minimum to 2-3 colleges so that once you get your application approved in various colleges or the universities, you will have options. If you follow this right timeline, you will be able to apply to international scholarship which is offered here in Ireland for international master's degree. I will drop the link in the description below so that you can check what are the minimum requirements. You might have to write some sort of essay. So I hope you might land up some scholarship and almost your course fees will be free of cost. And if you land any scholarship and you get approval, do let me know in the comment sections. So you have applied to the college, now it's the waiting time. Once you're shortlisted to your college and pay the minimum fees for your college, now it's time to get your visa application sorted. So if you are going through a consulate, they will provide you a list of documents required. In case you are going to apply on your own, I'll try to drop a link in the description below on how you can look out for visa application. So as soon as your visa is approved, make sure you book your tickets because you will get some cheap tickets, and then also make sure you book tickets under the student section. You can call the airlines and let them know you are a student. This way you will get good options for your luggage and you might get some student discount. So now you are all settled to fly to Ireland. Now you might have various questions on how your first month expenses would be, how the life here in Ireland. So I'll be coming up with more videos like this. Do let me know how do you like this video. If you are worried about the timeline or whatever the discussion I have done right now, I am dropping a link to my blog section where you will have the downloadable version for all these checklists so that you can follow these timelines and make sure you follow the right path, because this is something I have missed when I apply to masters here in Ireland. Also, if you would like an introduction video about me, do let me know in the comment section. I'll drop another video on the same, and let me know what sort of videos you are looking for. I'll try to make. Thank you for watching my channel.